Ever wanted to create a stunning website but found yourself short on time or design skills? Today, we are delving into the realm of AI website builders, Durable, B12, and Pineapple Builder. These tools are reshaping the landscape of website creation. Let's take a closer look at each and witness their magic in action. First up, let's explore how Durable can simplify your website creation. To get started with Durable, simply choose your business type. Enter your location and business name. Then click Generate Website. Voila! Instantly, you will see a preview of your tailored website right before your eyes. But what if you want to make it even more perfect? No problem. With Durable, you can regenerate background images, restyle sections, revise headings, and add buttons, all with a few clicks. Want to change the background color or tweak headings? Easy. Just select your preferences and click Save. Preview the final version of your website. And once you are satisfied with your masterpiece, hit Publish. Your professional site is now live. Durable truly makes website creation a breeze. Next, we have B12, an AI tool designed to create professional websites instantly. Start by entering your business name and a brief description. B12 will generate a website tailored to your unique business needs. Preview the site, and you will be amazed at the result. Editing your site with B12 is effortless. Regenerate images, edit any section, and fine-tune details like titles and descriptions. Customize your contact section, update images, and when everything looks perfect, click Publish. Your professional site is ready for the world. B12 offers powerful customization options, ensuring your website reflects your brand perfectly. But what if you want a simpler tool that's quick and easy? Let's look at Pineapple Builder, the ultimate AI website builder for busy business owners. Start by describing your website with a text prompt and click AI. Pineapple Builder will generate a complete site for you. Review the details and click Start Generation. Choose your palette style, background color, text style, and button design to match your brand. Once all set, click Save. Preview the generated website, fine-tune font colors and styles. Make any necessary changes and save it as a draft. When you are ready, click Publish to make your site live. Pineapple Builder offers simplicity and speed for busy entrepreneurs who need a professional website in no time. Whether you need a fully customizable site with Durable, a professional and quick solution with B12, or a simple and fast option with Pineapple Builder, there is an AI website generator to fit your needs. Explore these tools today and discover the perfect one for your business. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.